So I'm gonna show you right quick this little eurorack rig that we put together, which is more our transition rig. So it got a clock in from the TR8S, which has a trigger output, so we can actually play a bit like Pascal did with the Beatstep Pro and the CYRK. Just change the number of impulses it sends to the variegate, and the variegate just sequence here CV and gate, trigger and pitch of this clone of the Pearl syncussion. Only one voice, but it sounds exactly the same. That runs into these ripples from Mutable Instruments, which is a filter that we put a bit of resonance and we use it in band pass filter. That goes into the dual effects from Erika Synth, which is a double effect. Everything goes into the out from Pittsburgh. So usually live we have headphones, so we can pre-listen to what we're doing and then send it to the system actually. So this one is just a sequencer. So we just CV gate. The gate is here, probability. Then CV notes. Filter. Effect. Usually we play very fast sequences. And it's very good for transitions because it's kind of independent. So when we can bring everything down from the octatrack on the rest of the rig, even the modular, and just have this playing with just, I don't know, a hi-hat or a kick, and it's very easy for transition and improv. So it's nice for little improvisation, and you can really go to different sounds. It can go super low. You can get like sounds like toms or bass, sub bass. It can really do a lot actually. So this is a bit of our transition machine, I would say. It's also nice when we do a techno set. It's very, you can get to arpeggiator sounds, or yeah, it can do percussion arpeggiators. Like it can also do very FM sequences, very nice FM sequences. It's just a matter of chance, I would say. Just so headphones loud enough so you can hear what you're doing with the headphones, then trying some stuff, and when it's good in the system and it's playing. So yeah, that's how we use this little, which is an additional thing on the live act, which is all there for transitions mainly.